Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the basics that matter: Final Cut Pro and Mac OS versions, plus the exact plugin package type. Once done, locate the plugin on disk. Check both /library and your user library folders for fxplug, component or installer packages. If you downloaded a zip, unzip it. If you have a PKG, run it with admin permissions. You need correct file placement and matching versions before proceeding, because mismatches are the most common cause of missing plugins. You now perform the core steps. Install the plugin using the vendor installer or manually copy the plugin file into the System or User Plugins folder. After installation, open Final Cut Pro and navigate to Effects or Extensions to enable the plugin. Some require activation via a license key. Once enabled, force a rescan, quit Final Cut Pro, reboot the Mac, and if available, clear FCP caches or the plugin's cache files. These actions ensure Final Cut detects the new plugin and resolves indexing issues. You finish by testing the plugin in a fresh project and confirming its parameters and presets load correctly. If it still does not appear, verify file and folder permissions, allow the app in Security and Privacy Gatekeeper, and confirm the plugin is 64-bit and supported by your FCP build. If problems persist, reinstall the plugin or update Final Cut Pro. And if that fails, contact the vendor with console logs and version details. One tip: check console app for plugin load errors to speed diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.